Hi, and welcome to week 2. This is the week in which we actually begin reading articles in the New York Times. I'd like you to choose one. It can be on any subject: sports, music, news, politics, whatever you'd like, and summarize it. We're learning now how to use sources for our own writing as support for our research papers. Right now, this week, easy. Take an article, read it carefully, summarize it in fewer words. What is the person trying to say? What's their thesis? What's their main argument? And how do they support it? Then in the end, I'll ask your opinion of it. Do you like it? Do you not? Are they right? Are they wrong? 3 assignments as usual this week: Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Wednesday and Friday, forum postings. Let's see if we can get that. Forum postings right there. Which article did you choose? I want you to get an idea of other people's interests and which articles are available. I give you here a list of things that I have looked at and thought, might be interesting to read, to look at, to summarize. So the forum assignments due on Wednesday and Friday, and the major assignment, as usual, due on Sunday. Summary and then a reflection. All the instructions are available. Let me know if you need help.